Festival season is underway with campers starting to arrive for Coachella Weekend 2 starting tomorrow. That impacts local hospitals with tens of thousands of people coming into the desert to party. JFK Memorial Hospital in Indio is the closest local hospital to the festival grounds. News Channel 3's Bianca Ventura live in studio after visiting there today to see how they prepare to care for this influx of festival goers, including some who inevitably will end up in the emergency room. Bianca.
Good evening, John. That's right, they're here to party, and JFK sees a variety of patients from residents to festival staff and of course festival goers that are enjoying themselves for 3 weekends straight throughout the entire month of April during festival season. Here's how local hospitals
While festival goers are preparing to see their favorite artists, physicians less than 3 miles away from the Empire Polo Grounds are preparing to treat visitors and residents alike.
Coachella is a beast, and it's not something that you should roll into unprepared.
During weekend 1 of Coachella, the emergency department at JFK Memorial Hospital saw 54 total festival patients, a 36% drop from the year prior.
We're in the room with them quite longer than the average patient, doing procedures, doing tests, stabilizing them.
JFK's emergency department cared for about 140 patients the first festival weekend, compared to the typical high season average, where they see about 150 to 160 patients. Yet Dr. Timothy Rupp says festival goers require higher levels of care.
Sometimes it gets so bad that IV fluid is not enough. We have to do some pretty heroic measures to keep their blood pressure and their heart rate where we need it. And quite a few of these people end up in the ICU.
Evelyn Millsap, director of the emergency department, says her staff is equipped for scenarios like these, all while caring for residents.
If you truly have an emergency and you feel that you need medical care, come, we're ready. We're actually overstaffed for the weekend, during the festivals, for that purpose alone, because we're anticipating our regular volume that we see for our residents on top of the festival goers.
Physicians at JFK also shared the following tips for festival goers.
So we don't think we can tell them stop, because they're going to do what they want to do. They're here to party. I would just say do it responsibly and know your crowd. No, don't take drugs from people that you don't know or drinks.
And the director of JFK's emergency department also shared that on Monday they saw a total of 175 patients at their ER, a substantial increase compared to what they saw on the weekend. And they speculate that residents may have avoided the ER during the festival weekend because they anticipated the festival crowds or they didn't want to deal with the traffic. But again, the staff at JFK wants to assure Valley residents and festival goers alike that they prepare all throughout festival season to provide timely care. Physicians also want to remind patients that the more they delay seeking medical aid, the worse their illness can get. I'm live in studio. Bianca Ventura, back to you.